Hello, guys. I'm back and I'm back with a bang. And thank you for your messages, the people who have been missing my videos. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Let me now tell you, I was away for a good reason. And the good news is that I am promoted to the next level. But I have put in all my effort into it. I was reading about the position I was getting. I was reading about the process I was getting into. And hence, out of the lot, I was interviewed. And the good news is that yes, I am selected. So let me also tell you how it happened. So there are people who have been asking me this question that in the era of layoff, how did you manage to get this promotion? Let me tell you guys, believe in yourself. Please, there are people who are ready to pull you down. So just believe in yourself, at least think good about your own self. And you'll be able to see that yes, you have made where you want to be. And even my mentors, I would say, they helped me so much. My mentors told me that no, stay where you want to be, just follow your passion. And that is why I am here to tell you that, guys, trust your own self, believe in yourself. If you think you're ready for the next level, just go ahead for it, because otherwise, nobody will come and tap your back and make you realize that, yes, you are ready for the next level, which you deserve it already. So ensure that you are ready, but it should not be a fake confidence. Ensure you have read about where you're going. Ensure you know it. And so again, there are risks, but there has to be a calculated risk. It should not sound like you have just jumped into a swimming pool without knowing the swimming. No, that is not the intent. Sir. Only if you have that confidence that yes, I'll be able to sail through. This is the position, this is the process I want to be, and this is the work that I want to learn. Also, people have been asking me, how did you manage to go through this interview process and how did you manage to crack this interview successfully? So, guys, there are three things that I followed and which I wanted to share for the benefit of the larger audience here as well. That always study about the organization that you're getting into, always study about the process that you're getting into, always learn about your current process as well, because I have seen people fumbling in explaining their own existing process. Guys, if you're not able to explain your own process to the interviewer, you're already giving them a signal that you don't even know your current work. How will you be able to say through in the next new work? So ensure that you know your own work. You know where you are going. You should be knowing their P&L numbers. You should be knowing the balance sheet numbers. You should be knowing about the organization. You should be knowing about their CEOs and so on. The list is long, but then I would say whatever you can consume with confidence, be ready and learn it and consume it. And don't ratify it also, because you never know what interview will ask. So ensure you understand it so that in that moment of pressure, you are able to deliver it as well. And if something is not known to you, I would say accept it gracefully. Be humble enough to say that, yes, this is something I don't know currently, but I will work upon it and I will learn it for sure. I know I have that ability to learn fast and I'll be able to sail through it as well. So after these things, your interviewer will be able to understand that, yes, not everybody will know everything. Nobody is perfect in this world, but you have that zeal to learn and excel. And that is what the interviewer are actually looking for. And with all your good wishes, my mentor support, I am able to sail through this interview process and got the promotion. And people have been asking me that how did you manage? So guys, here is the actual script that I have followed. Instead of answering all the WhatsApp messages, I thought let me make this video, which can be benefited by the larger audience. And I am back with the bang. I am back with my videos, and you'll see my videos flowing in every now and then. Till then, bye bye. See ya and take care. Bye bye.